Ready?
Uh-huh.
Now, this is to find out whether the girls are going to have a little brother or a little sister. Let's find out.
Boy.
Start popping.
Okay, you have to find a baby. There's a baby in one of the balloons. Okay, whatever balloon the baby is in, Amanda, what does pink mean?
Girl.
And the blue means?
Boy.
Okay.
Can
So
I
y'all,
pop them now?
okay, now you can start popping.
Hey.
Pop one. No. Pop one. No. Pop one. No.
Let
pop one.
sister.
No. Oh, there
Oh!
I knew it was a boy.
Nope.
I lost my nail.
So which one had the baby in it?
The pink one?
No, the blue one.
The blue one.
So what does that mean?
It's a boy!
Yay! It's a boy!
You're going to have a little brother.
Name.